Hi, Christine Toney here with Essentially Style, and I'm here at a craft and vendor show, and things haven't started hopping yet. So I wanted to come in here. I was talking with my daughter as we're sitting here looking at the kit and the things in it, and did some fun math. So I'm going to turn the picture around just to show you what you get in our kit. Okay, this is our kit, and there are 8 flexies, 2 sets of U-pins, 2 hair bands, 2 leather 8s, a set of bobbies, a decorative stick, and a large U-pin. All of that, which is over $300 worth of product, for $89 normally, and this month it's on sale for $79. So we were doing some math. I'm going to turn it back around. If you divide that up, that's less than $5 for each product at regular price, and $4 if during the $79 sale. So if you get the kit, you're paying less than $5, $4 really, for each piece. It is crazy. We're just doing that. It seems insane. When I signed up back in 2014, it was an amazing deal to get 5 clips for $49, and I thought that was great. But now you're getting $300 worth of product for just $79 through the 21st of November. So if you're interested in that deal and you like those pieces, that is by far the best way to go. And if you want to try some Lilla Rose and you're considering this opportunity as a business opportunity, but you really want to try some pieces to see how much you like it and get used to it, you can get this kit. Watch some of my videos on YouTube, or on the website itself has some awesome video tutorials. See if you like it, and it may turn into something huge for you. So I just wanted to pass this opportunity along and make sure that you knew what an amazing deal that is. So $300 worth of product for $79 through November 21st. So if you have questions, talk to me, or talk to another stylist that has talked to you about Lilla Rose before. I hope you have a great day. Bye.